Hello everyone. In this video I will walk you through the exact steps to create a new directory website using the DirectoryEasy platform in just a few minutes. We'll create both types of directories available on the platform. We have Standard Directories for AI tools, for example, or SaaS platforms. And we have also Business Directories with map and location features. So yeah, let's get started. After creating your account, go to Directories section and click Add New Directory. Select your directory language, and by the way, DirectoryEasy supports over 22 languages. And if your preferred language isn't available, just reach out and we'll gladly add it for you. We'll choose English for now, then select the directory type. We'll test both types. These options help you set up the right theme and listing configuration for your directory, but keep in mind that everything remains fully customizable. For example, if you select the business directory type but prefer the theme used for standard directories, you can easily change that later in the customization panel. So yeah, let's start with the standard directory. We have here the AI directory content generator that helps you generate headlines and categories automatically. It's optional, but we'll use it for this demo. Describe your directory, let's say AI tools directory, then click generate with AI. Wait a few moments and yeah, it's done. In the general section, you can edit the name, tagline, subheading, and submit your directory button. The hero button, text, and link allow you to add the special button to your homepage hero section, as shown here. And yeah, you can also upload a favicon and set the directory status. And the further visual customization, like adding logos, changing colors, or updating backgrounds for light and dark modes, all of this will be covered in the customization tutorial. Next, under the SEO tab, you can add a title, description, and keywords for Google search results, as well as an SEO image that appears when your directory is shared on social media. In the social tab, you can add your social media links, which appear in the footer. If you'd like another social platform added, just let me know. Under the domain section, you can view or connect your custom domain. Note that you can only add custom domains after the directory has been created. So once ready, go back to this section and add your domain and configure it by adding two A records to your registrar. One pointing to our server IP with @ as the name, and another pointing to the same IP with www as the name. Then click verify and wait a few minutes for the DNS propagation. If it takes more than a couple of hours or you face SSL issues, just reach out and I will be happy to help you fix it. In the Fields tab, you will find all the default fields that come with your directory. For example, logo, images, tags, business information. And by the way, business information fields are toggled off by default since we've selected a standard directory. You can enable them anytime, of course. And also you can create your own custom fields, which will be covered later in the customization section. Next, under categories, you can create your directory categories and subcategories. You can reorder them, set default expanded states, and choose icons using built-in icons, URLs, or emojis. You can also configure how listings are filtered, either showing listings that match any selected category or only those that match all selected categories. In the pages section, you can create custom pages like privacy policy, terms of service, or contact page. Just click add page, enter a title, path, and the content you like, and optionally optimize SEO details. Toggle published to make it live. For navigation links, these appear in the navbar, by the way. You can link to default pages like a blog or your own custom pages that you've just created, or external URLs. In the footer section, you can edit your footer details and create custom footer sections, and each section includes a name and a list of links. Finally, under language config, you can change your directory's language. And as I told you before, if you have some language in mind that doesn't exist here, just reach out and I will be happy to add it for you. When everything looks good, just click create or update directory. Your new directory will go live on your subdomain or custom domain. And that's it. Your directory is now ready to accept submissions from you or your visitors. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.